Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by anchoring the base trim so panels align and drain correctly. Mark studs and snap a chalk line. This keeps fasteners straight and reduces panel stress. Fasten starter trim level across the footing, then set the first panel against it with a 1/4 gap at ends for thermal movement. Drive self-tapping screws through the high ridge into studs at 24 centers. This secures wind load without compressing the washer. Once done, slide the next panel into the lock and check vertical alignment. You now work along the wall installing middle panels, and you must control expansion while keeping seams tight. Start each panel by hooking the top lock into the previous panel, then lower the bottom into the starter so the overlap seats fully. Fasten only the top rib first to allow sliding later. That prevents buckling when temperatures change. Continue along, staggering butt joints at studs for strength. When cuts are needed, score and bend, or use snips to avoid jagged edges so flashing fits snugly. You finish by installing end and corner trims, then the cap trim at the top to direct water away. Drive screws while holding panels flush. Use compatible sealant at joints where water could penetrate. Once all panels are secured, inspect for 1/8 gaps at seams and consistent reveals. Correct fastener placement if needed. If a panel buckles, loosen the top fasteners, slide the panel down to reseat the lock, and retighten the screws slightly loose to allow thermal movement. That one fix solves most alignment failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.